The screen is great, but at $719, DJI's Mini 4 Pro beats it. At $719, the SKYROVER X1 bundles a built-in screen and 3 batteries. But does it outfly the DJI Mini 4 Pro? The 5.5-inch 700-nit touchscreen is genuinely bright. I flew in direct sunlight and could still frame shots without squinting. It's the rare controller that makes the phone-free experience feel like an upgrade, not a gimmick. The 1/1.32-inch sensor with f/1.7 aperture captures 4K/60 frames per second HDR that's crisp and vibrant for the price. In golden hour, the dynamic range is solid. Footage holds highlights better than I expected from a sub-250 grams drone. At under 249 grams, you skip most registration hassle and it packs small. I threw it in a day pack with 3 batteries and barely noticed. The 96-minute total flight time, 3 batteries, means I never felt battery anxiety on a hike. The 360 degrees obstacle avoidance actually works. It braked reliably when I flew toward a tree branch, and Smart RTH kicked in smoothly when I lost signal. It's not DJI level refined, but it's confidence-inspiring for beginners. The 9.32-mile transmission range is marketing fluff in practice. I got about 2.5 miles in open field before signal dropped, still enough for most hobbyist flights. The 1080p/60 frames per second live view stayed smooth and lag-free the entire time. Here's what you get: cinematic 4K/60 frames per second HDR video and 48 megapixels photos. Captures smooth 4K/60 frames per second HDR video and detailed 48 megapixels photos with a January 1st 32-inch CMOS sensor and f/1.7 aperture. The drone with camera for adults delivers clearer, more vibrant footage for travel, hiking, family activities, outdoor adventures, and everyday aerial photography. 5.5 HD touchscreen remote. See every detail, even in direct sunlight. 700 nit. Brightness and 60 Hz display delivers crystal clear, live view outdoors. No phone needed. Just tap, fly, and capture with confidence. And under 249 grams and travel ready. Under 249 grams and easy to pack. The drone with camera for adults is built for grab-and-go flying without adding bulk to your bag. Take it on vacations, hikes, road trips, and weekend adventures to capture more of the moments you actually want to remember. The 9.32-mile range claim is a fantasy. In real-world conditions, I topped out at 2.5 miles, and even then the video feed started breaking up. DJI's Mini 4 Pro with O4 transmits further and more consistently for similar money. The obstacle avoidance is 360 degrees in name only. Side sensors are less sensitive, and in low light, they cut out entirely. I nearly clipped a branch during dusk flight. DJI's omnidirectional system handles shadows better. The controller, while bright, feels plasticky and the joysticks are loose. After 20 minutes of use, my thumbs were micro-adjusting constantly. The Mini 4 Pro's RC2 has a sturdier build and better gimbal feel. At $719, you're paying a premium for the screen combo, but the camera lacks a variable aperture like the Mini 4 Pro's f/1.7 fixed lens. You'll need ND filters to avoid overexposure in bright daylight, which adds $30 to $50 more. The SKYROVER X1 is a good drone for beginners who want a screen and 3 batteries out of the box. But at $719, the DJI Mini 4 Pro with a screen costs only $80 more and flies better, shoots better, and avoids obstacles more reliably. If you're on a tight budget, the X1 works. If you can stretch, get the DJI. Check the current price and DJI Mini 4 Pro comparison in the link below, and tell me what you'd pick in the comments.